Do you know? Can you take it out? Spencer found an egg. Rachel, that's a new movie we get to watch together as a family.
Of this.
Yeah, and that's
What's your new movie, Ray?
Spencer.
Show Daddy. Tangled. Let's see what Spencer Bear got.
Spencer.
I'll pick it out for him.
Okay, you help him. Spencer, look what you got, a new book.
And another.
New book. Okay, let's get our baskets and let's go find some eggs.
Okay. Yay.
Hey, Spencer, can you hold this? And put the eggs in there. Go find some eggs. Go find some eggs. Where are they? Do you see any, Rachel?
Go get it.
Oh, Rachel sees some. Maybe help Spencer. Good job.
I found you Easter egg, Mom.
Yeah, the Easter Bunny found him and he hid him for us.
Do you see any,
Help Spencer find some, maybe on the stairs. Spencer, is that an egg? Get the egg. Yeah, go get it. Go get
One
it.
of itself.
Everyone go get him, Rach. The Easter Bunny left some really cool eggs this time. Go get it, Spencer.
I found the monkey one.
Yay.
I wonder what they have inside.
Spencer, put it. Oh, Spencer found something yummy. Here, Spencer, put it in here. Put it in here. Good job.
I'll put it right with it.
Yay, go find some more.
I'll open this one so it's inside this one.
Okay.
Oh
my goodness.
Food snacks.
Wow.
And a monkey.
You're so lucky. But maybe, Rachel, let's collect all the eggs first, and then we'll empty them all out, okay?
Hey.
Okay, let's go look for some more. Spencer, where's some more eggs?